Hey there, and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play Stay With Me by Sam Smith. Now before we can play this song, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 3 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are A minor, F major, and C major. If you know how to play those 3 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to a later portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn for this song is A minor. To play that, just take your second finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. The next chord we're going to learn to play is F major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, then take your second finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. And our last chord for this song is going to be C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this song. It's just going to be A minor for 4 beats, F major for 3 beats, and C major for 9 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this song. It's just going to be down, tap, down, 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 tap, down, pause, tap, down, 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 tap, down. Let's play that strumming pattern on the A minor chord. Down, tap, down, 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 tap, down, pause, tap, down, 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 tap, down, down, tap, down, 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 tap, down, pause, tap, down, 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 tap, down. Let's play that strumming pattern now a little bit faster. Down, tap, down, 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 tap, down, pause, tap, down, 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 tap, down, down, tap, down, 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 tap, down, pause, tap, down, 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 tap, down. And now let's apply that strumming pattern with the chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's play that strumming pattern with the chord progression a little bit faster now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Stay With Me. Guess it's true, I'm not good trying to understand, but I still need love, cause I'm just a man. These nights never seem to go to plan. I don't want you to leave, will you hold my hand? Oh, won't you stay with me? Cause you're all I need. This ain't love, it's clear to see, but darling, stay with me. Now if you want to play through the rest of this song, then go down to my description box below and click on the link to access the chord chart. And that's how you play Stay With Me by Sam Smith. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Again, don't forget to subscribe and keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.